Welcome to the future of supercars. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of the Lamborghini Temerario, a revolutionary machine that's set to dominate the roads in 2025 to 2026. Replacing the iconic Huracán, the Temerario isn't just a new model, it's a bold statement in the evolution of automotive technology. Lamborghini has outdone itself with this beast, combining a twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors. That's right, this hybrid monster packs a jaw, dropping 920 horsepower, catapulting you from 0 to 62 mph in just 2.7 seconds. And with a top speed of over 210 mph, the Temerario is all about pushing boundaries. But it's not just about raw power. Lamborghini's commitment to innovation and sustainability shines through. This is the second high-performance electrified vehicle HEPIF in their lineup, marking a significant milestone in their journey toward full electrification. Imagine the roar of that V8, amplified by cutting-edge hybrid tech, as you tear down the road, leaving everyone else in your dust. Now, let's talk design. The Temerario is more than just a speed demon, it's a work of art. Aggressive lines, aerodynamic prowess, and unmistakable Lamborghini flair make it a head-turner from every angle. It's not just about looks though, this design is all about performance. Every curve and contour has been meticulously crafted to enhance speed and efficiency. Before we continue, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. What do you think of Lamborghini's hybrid future? Is the Temerario your dream car? Or do you have your eye on something else? Let's get the conversation going. As Lamborghini charges ahead with its electrification strategy, models like the Temerario are setting the stage for what's to come. This isn't just another supercar, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive excellence. So buckle up and stay tuned because the road ahead is going to be thrilling. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is only the beginning of Lamborghini's electrifying journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.